More than 60% of adults in BC are now vaccinated, and with COVID cases and hospitalizations stabilized, the province is beginning to reopen. Personal gatherings can expand to include 5 visitors or 1 household. Organized gatherings outdoors can be up to 50 people. Outdoor sports return with no spectators, and indoor faith gatherings with limited capacity. There's more, but you can hear the relief in the Premier's announcement.
We have made extraordinary sacrifices as a province and as a people over the past 15 months, and nobody is more excited than the 4 of us.
Dining, indoors and outdoors, is back with up to 6 people per table. Fable Diner is looking forward to welcoming more staff and customers.
I think people are wanting to go out to eat now, so I think it's potentially could be a great summer for the industry.
BC is tying its reopening not to dates, but data. Travel restrictions between regions, for example, will be lifted when a threshold of 65% of British Columbian adults are vaccinated.
With more and more people getting vaccinated every day, we can gradually restart our important social connections, the businesses, the activities that we have been missing for so long.
Quebec is also reopening this week. Starting Friday, the province's curfew will be lifted, and outdoor patios at restaurants can reopen.
I'm really proud of Quebecers. So we're moving forward with our gradual reopening plan.
In BC and Quebec, the third wave crested in mid-April. The COVID case numbers now as low as they were last fall. In Alberta, the wave peaked in May, but has dropped dramatically since then. In Ontario, the third wave persisted with much higher numbers for weeks, but for the vast majority of Canadians, the trend is clear. The waves are all breaking. Alberta's remarkable turnaround saw schools reopen today in most of the province, barely 2 weeks after students were sent home. Ontario has begun gradually reopening, starting with outdoor recreation that saw hundreds of thousands outside on the weekend.
While you're out and doing more things outside, still stick to the household. Still watch the distancing, the masking.
Provinces are reopening on different timelines, but for most Canadians, it is just a question now of how quickly normal life returns. Eric Sorensen, Global News, Toronto.